Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your interests on the Fiverr application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the account button down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that, tap on the second option, My Interests. Here you can choose your interests, so you should select at least one of the following services to get started. As you scroll down, you can see that you have a bunch of things that you can choose from, such as edit photos and images, improve gaming skills, edit a video, and so on. As you scroll down to the bottom, you can also click on the plus icon and type in the service that you are looking for. So click on the relevant one and tap on save. So you can add as many interests as you would like to. Here you can see that the green outline appears around the category. So when you are done, tap on the save button and then your interests will be saved so that you will be able to see the service recommendations according to your set interests. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.